Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Coosery for sending me this amazing dip powder. It brings a total of 20 along with some extra brush heads if you need them. 4-step system of dip powder. Here it brings, also has warranty along with how to apply the dip powder if you need to know so. So here I'm just going to briefly show you everything it brings. It also included a dusting brush, which I thought was really nice. So here I'm just going to briefly show you everything that the kit brings. And remember, it is a 4-step. So the first one being the base, the second being the activator, the third being the gel top, and then the fourth being the brush saver if you need to restore your brushes. So remember to always brush off after every application of base, because that is what causes your brushes to get hard when you forget to dust off, which I was forgetting to dust off, but somehow they didn't turn hard, so that was definitely good. And I love how the bottles are 15 ml. They're really big, so that's definitely a plus. So here I'm just briefly showing you the numbers and the colors of all the dip powders. If you for you guys to see, I didn't get to swatch them. It would have taken forever, so I didn't do that. But here I'm just going to briefly show you the colors, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and that subscribe button to join the family. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really had a lot of fun making it. It's just an easier way that I do dip powders, and I think it could help other people, because I know dip powder has kind of like I know a lot of people don't really like dip powder, but this does simplify it a million times in my personal opinion. But yeah, here I'm just gonna continue to show you the colors, and then we'll get right into the tutorial. Decided to go with this color number 33. I thought it was really beautiful. It's like a royal blue and it's glittery, so definitely loved that color. And I don't think I had done any nail sets with that color in a while, especially glittery. I've never done, but I've done just royal blue, so I'm like, you know what, why not? So before starting the whole process, I am placing on a peel off base coat, and the one that I use is UNT, and they do sell that on Amazon. I think it goes for like $14 or so. So I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a really good peel off coat. That one is really good. So here I'm just sizing out my nail tips, and I actually forgot I had these nail tips. I purchased these through Amazon when I first started doing my YouTube videos, and I forgot how beautiful they are. These are like more ballerina type of nails, and I really love them. So here I'm just placing them on, but before doing that, always remember to remove the top off the free edge of the nails, because you want them to look crisp and really nice when you're going in and filing them afterwards. So you don't want to forget that step. So here, that's what I'm briefly doing. And now we're going to start off with the base coat. And I'm sorry if you hear like a lot of noise in the background. Like I always mention, I do live in the city, so it's always noisy, and I apologize for that. So here I'm just going in with the base coat, and I'm applying a layer, and then I'm going to go in. I think I did a total of 3. The pigmentation on these dip powders were really incredible. I was mesmerized by them. I was like, whoa, very, very outstanding of how pigmented they were. So definitely really good on that behalf. I didn't have any issues with it. It was really great quality. Love the pigmentation. Really just needed one coat, as you guys can see how pigmented they are, but I just wanted to build in a little bit more. So I ended up adding 3 layers of color. I only showed you guys one on camera just to not be so boring and repetitive with the process. And remember, you just, when you're using full coverage nails, that's the good part about it, that you don't have to worry about building an apex. You just go from top to bottom of the nail, you'll be fine. And then I went in with a layer of clear from Azure because the kit didn't bring a clear, so I just decided to use another clear that I had laying around. So I hope you guys are enjoying this process. It's super easy to do it this way, just applying it on a nail stand, dipping it in and keeping it moving. Really simple and easy. Could really make your dip powder routine if you usually do dip powder, or it could just make your dip powder process super easy and just more time efficient. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys thought about this particular nail look. I absolutely love these nails. I thought they're really cute. So now I'm going in with the activator once again after I am done. I don't know if I've even filed yet. No, I don't think I have. Okay, so now I'm just going in with the activator for the first time, actually, after I was done applying the clear. And this is going to ensure that it doesn't like ruin the color that I have applied underneath. So it's like a protective barrier. And honestly, in the past, I haven't really used the clear, but I decided to because this one did have glitter in it. So here, that is what I'm doing, just applying the activator onto all the nails, and then I'm going to get to shaping and filing. Finished with the shaping and filing, I like to go in one more time with the activator just to compress and ensure that everything's good to go. So that is what I'm doing here. And then next we're gonna move on to some rhinestone placement, and I decided to use my own top coat. Right now my favorite top coat is from Couture, so that's what I'm going to be using to adhere the rhinestones and caviar beads, just because for video purposes, since I'm not going to be wearing this set. If I was going to be wearing this set for myself, I would use the gummy jelly or some sort of really good strong rhinestone glue for the embellishment, along with rhinestones don't come off. So yeah, here that is what I'm doing. And then yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me place the rhinestones on the nails, and then we're just gonna move on to you guys seeing the final results. So these are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of today's nail look. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.